Are you looking for massive storage, portability, and lightning-fast performance in one sleek device? Well, today we're diving deep into the Samsung T5 EVO portable SSD 8TB, one of the most talked about SSDs in the market right now. With a whopping 8TB of storage, this little powerhouse is designed for creators, gamers, and professionals who need tons of space on the go. But is it worth the investment? Let's find out. First off, let's talk design. The T5 EVO is super compact and lightweight. It weighs just about 51 grams, making it ultra portable. It fits right into your pocket, and with its metal casing, it feels durable and premium. You've got this smooth, sleek finish, and it's available in different colors. But don't let the size fool you. This thing is a beast when it comes to performance. Now, let's get into what really matters, the speed. The T5 EVO offers up to 540 megabytes per second read and write speeds thanks to its USB 3.1 Gen 2 interface. That means transferring large files, like 4K videos or massive game libraries, is a breeze. We tested it with a few hefty files, and honestly, the results were impressive. No more waiting around for ages for those file transfers. It's fast, efficient, and reliable. What about compatibility? Well, the T5 EVO works seamlessly across different devices, whether it's your PC, Mac, Android phone, or tablet. It's plug and play, so you won't need any special drivers. Just connect, and you're good to go. And if security is a concern, the T5 EVO has you covered. It comes with built-in AES 256-bit hardware encryption, which keeps your data safe from unauthorized access. Plus, it can withstand drops from up to 6 feet, so it's built to last. So, who is the T5 EVO 8TB for? If you're a content creator dealing with massive files, a gamer looking to store entire libraries, or a professional needing tons of portable storage, this SSD is an absolute game changer. Overall, the Samsung T5 EVO portable SSD 8TB is a powerhouse in a tiny package. It's sleek, fast, and offers an insane amount of storage. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone in need of reliable storage, this SSD is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the link in the description below to learn more.